In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install 7-Zip on your Windows computer. Whether you are on Windows 10 or Windows 11, this process should be the same. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now to do this, you need to open any browser on your Windows or laptop and then just search for 7 and zip like that and search, and this will take you to the official 7-Zip website. Here it is, 7zip.org. Click on it and here we have files that we can download and install on our computer. As you can see, we have this that is for 64-bit operating system, and we also have this for 32 bits and 64 bits operating system. So you may want to check and find out which operating system you have, and you can do that by just going to this PC. If you click on it, go to properties, and under properties you should go to device specifications and look for system type. As you can see, I'm using a 64-bit operating system, so this is the type of processor that I have. Once you have identified that, now you can choose the specific one. For my case, I'll choose the 64-bit here, so I'll click on it and this will download this file. As you can see, the download is in progress here. Once the download is done, now you can see we have the folder containing the file. Click on it and it will be taken to the file location. So we need to run this setup. To run the setup, just right click on your file and then choose run as administrator. Confirm and click on yes. And now here we need to install by just clicking on install. If you wish to change the destination folder, you can do so here. For my case, I'll leave it as it is and then just run install as it is. And as you can see, the installation process is on and now it is done. As you can see, I have now an option to close. So if I click on close, now my 7-Zip file is installed. So that's how you can install 7-Zip on your Windows computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.